Students, the following is a video representation of how RAM works. Let's play. So, in order for a program to run, it needs to load information into RAM. Okay? So from our hard drive, information is then moved into our RAM and then to our CPU to process. Okay? But this information could be slowed down due to the fact of the movement between the hard drive and the RAM. If there's not enough RAM capacity, as the hard drive sends information to our RAM, there could be a bottleneck. Can you see how the information is moving? Too much information, then reverted back to our RAM, can slow our computer down. So the answer, what can we do to make our computer faster, or to make our CPU to be processing faster? We can add more RAM. Okay? The more RAM we add, the more the capacity, or the more the hard drive, the more information the hard drive can send to the RAM to send to the CPU in order to process. So increasing the RAM will make the computer faster. As simple as that. Thank you so much. Students, so now I'm sure you are interested to find out how much RAM is on your computer. It's simple. You can go to your PC, okay, your PC icon, you can right click, you can go to properties, and you can see that my computer has got an installed memory or RAM of 4 gigabytes. Okay, so you try that at home, okay, and see if you have got the capability of increasing your RAM. That will be quite an interesting point of discussion. Come and tell me, okay, when we get back to class. Our next topic, as we alluded in our learning objectives, is to look at read-only memory. Okay? Now, read-only memory is a non-volatile source of memory storage. Data cannot be written to in RAM. Okay? So we can't access data or write new data on RAM. Data is not lost when the computer is switched off in this alternative when we talk about RAM. Okay? That's why we state it is non-volatile. RAM allows us to run bootstrap programs. Now, the bootstrap program that we're referring to is the process of switching on our computer. Now, I'm sure you've heard when you switch the computer on, as soon as the computer states to you, I am ready to process your information, you will hear one beep. Okay? It's like a beep. And the computer would function and read and write programs from whichever point it is. But when there's a problem, the computer is programmed to give you 2 or more beeps. Okay? Have you heard that before? Beep, beep. Then there might be an error message. The computer might restart, okay, at some point. Okay? And that's what we refer to as bootstrap programs. Programs that runs immediately when we switch our computer on. And that is the role of read-only memory. Within the read-only memory, in grade 10, we will discuss 4 different types of read-only memory. In grade 8 and grade 9, we discuss only what RAM is. So now we're going to go a little bit more in detail and talk about RAM itself and different versions of RAM. We've got 4 main types of RAM. RAM can also be found on our motherboard, okay, in the form of a chip. Okay, like I said, when class is finished or later in the lesson, we will have a closer look at what these chips are looking like. Now, these chips, when they are manufactured, we can only read information off it. Okay, let's have a look at read-only memory, the simplest form of RAM. Okay, the simplest type, it's part of the manufacturing process. So when you purchase your computer or your laptop, this is what you receive as a standard package, which is your ROM. Should you require different content, the chip needs to be replaced. Okay, we will have to replace this chip if you are working with ROM on your motherboard.